Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's CJ, and today we are out here with the LS MT240e tractor and the 5-foot tiller. And this is my first time running the tiller and the tractor, really, other than in the yard. And we're out here tilling up our pumpkin patches. If you're new to the channel, we started growing giant pumpkins last year. We grew a 138-pound pumpkin. We're shooting for over 500-pounder this year. We'll see what happens. But we got this all tilled up finally, and it's ready to plant. Let me tell you, this tractor is a fun little tractor to drive. This is my first project with it, and I really enjoyed driving it. It's smaller than my XR4040, and it had no trouble at all handling that 5-foot tiller. But we got all of this tilled up. We didn't do that middle section last year, but we went ahead and tilled that up. We're going to have pumpkins all the way down through. This area here will be fenced off for the 2 giants that we're going to grow. And then over here on the other side, you saw I was tilling up another area. That's going to be for the blue pumpkins. Never grown those before, so we're interested to see how those are going to turn out. So we're going to go ahead, get ready to start planting, get the fences put up, and I'm going to mow around here and make it all look nice. Come on, I need some help. Alright, so I got to get these pumpkins planted because they're busting out of the tops of the milk jugs. That one there was a little bit later coming up than the other ones. And what we're going to do, I need you guys' help. I want you guys to take these stakes and put them on one end and then the other, and then we got some string here. So just make your rows nice and straight, pound them in the ground, and then you guys can go ahead and plant some pumpkins, okay?
Yay!
All right, I'm going to go plant the giants while you guys are doing that.
Okay.
Look at this. Look what that tiller did. Look at that. I never had this even close to this chopped up last year. Last year I used the 2-bottom plow and the disc, and it wasn't even close to being this fine. Okay.
Oh, there's like some green stuff there.
Good dirt too.
Yeah, it feels like you're on a soft pillow or something.
Oh, those roots.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that worked good.
Now they can grow as long as they want. What are those again?
Big Macs. We're planting all kinds of varieties. Out here, this is going to be our big pumpkin patch. And we're going to plant seeds. We got these ones. We got the ones that are like kind of different and warty looking. We've got white pumpkins, tiny pumpkins, and the seeds from our 138-pound pumpkin that we did last year and took to the Barnesville Pumpkin Festival. So we're going to plant our big pumpkin patch full of all kinds of different pumpkins, and then CJ and the other girls are over there. Point the camera over there.
Yeah.
They're over there, and they're getting everything set up for the giant pumpkins. They are going to be over in that little spot. And then behind that, CJ tilled up another little spot back there. I don't know if you can see it.
What?
But all the way back there, we are going to have blue pumpkins. That's new to us this year, so we're going to plant some blue pumpkins back there and see how those look whenever they're ready.
Alright everybody, so it's been a long, hard day of planting the pumpkins. The tilling was the easy part, but I think we've got well over 130 plants between all the pumpkin patches here. And I did end up planting 3 giant pumpkins in my giant pumpkin patch. We'll see which one of the 700 pounders takes off, and then I'll nurse that one more than I will the other one. But yeah, having that tiller was just amazing. I wish I would have had one years ago. It's so much easier, and that dirt is just so soft and fine. I think these pumpkins will do very well. So yeah, we enjoy planting pumpkins around here. I've always grown them since I was a little boy, and now I get to share it with the girls. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the LS tractor in action. And until next time, Caitlin,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching everybody.